Let me quickly teach you how to start up your chat OpenAI. So what you need to do is to search on Google Chrome chat.openai.com. This is the Chatgpt where you can ask questions, and this can be used to generate a lot of answers. I've used this, and this tool is actually the best so far for now for any content creator, even anybody. So sign up. When you sign up, they will ask you for verification of email. Then after dropping your email, the next thing you are going to do is to move to the next stage, which is the phone number verification. So when you do the phone number verification, a code is going to be sent to your phone. So kindly please input the code just like our normal verification. Then after the verification, boom, we move to the next stage, which is for us to start up the work immediately. So I'm inputting my code sent to me via SMS. So the code is going to be sent to you via SMS. You can also give them the option of whether you want it on WhatsApp. So anyone that you think you can use to get the code as easy as possible, you can easily do that immediately. So after that, and they are welcoming me to Chatgpt, and this is very, very lovely. So I click on OK, and they are actually telling me everything that it is all about. So under the search button, I can ask anything. So here I'm going to be asking AI to write me a lesson plan for grade 4, and I'm going to be on maths. Okay, I'm going to be asking him to write me a maths lesson plan for grade 4, and let's see the results. This can be used to ask for so many questions. If you want to generate a new profile for yourself, if you need a nice CV for yourself, you can also use it if you're a content creator, you want to write content for your product and more. This is the tool for you. If you're also a teacher, if you are curious about some topic, you can actually use this. This is an alternative, far alternative towards Google, and this tool is actually very lovely. So AI is writing me now what I've asked, which is the grade 5 lesson plan, and easily in seconds I'm getting results. Wow, this is wonderful. So this tool, you must start as soon as possible to explore this tool, as I'm going to be bringing more AI tool that you can use for free on this channel and on this group. Thank you very much. My name is Odetola Ebenezer. We'll learn more tomorrow. Thank you.